Understanding valve stem. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll dive into the phrase, valve stem. This might sound like a technical term, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means. Let's begin by looking at the two words individually. Valve. A valve is a device or mechanism that controls the flow of a liquid or gas. Imagine turning off a tap to stop water flow. That tap acts as a valve. Stem. The word stem often refers to the main stalk of a plant. However, in different contexts, it can also mean a long, slender piece of something. Now, when you put these two words together, valve and stem, it may sound like something botanical, but it's not. Let's delve deeper. A valve stem is a component often found in vehicles, specifically in their tires. It's the small protruding part that you see where you can inflate or deflate the tire. It essentially acts as a gateway for air to enter or leave the tire. So, in essence, the valve stem controls the flow of air, similar to how a valve controls the flow of a liquid or gas. To help reinforce understanding, here are some example sentences. 1. I noticed the valve stem on my tire is leaking, so I need to get it replaced. 2. When inflating your tires, ensure you remove the cap from the valve stem before attaching the air pump. 3. A damaged valve stem can lead to a flat tire if not addressed in time. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, valve stem. I hope this video helped clarify its meaning for you. Remember, language is not just about words, but understanding the concepts behind them. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.